Hey there, welcome to this channel. Today we've got a special treat for you. We're diving into the bizarre world where the Simpsons meet North Korea. Picture this, the quirky residents of Springfield taking a trip to one of the most secretive countries on the planet. What could possibly go wrong? Let's find out. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any of our wacky adventures. And hey, if you're new here, why not give us a warm welcome by hitting that subscribe button? Now let's get this show on the road. First up, we have Kim Jong Un Springfield. Imagine a North Korean version of Springfield where the streets are lined with statues of foreign dictators and propaganda posters. This surreal alternate reality is brought to life through animation in a hilarious take on what would happen if the Simpsons were to find themselves in the Hermit Kingdom. It's a wild ride. You won't want to miss it. Next, we'll explore inside the animated world of North Korea, the Simpsons edition. This animated documentary takes viewers on a journey through the streets of Pyongyang, the capital of North Korea, but with a Simpsons twist. The documentary explores the daily lives of North Koreans and the country's political system through the eyes of Homer, Marge, Bart, Lisa, and Maggie. The Simpsons characters interact with real-life people and places in North Korea, providing a unique perspective on life in one of the most isolated countries in the world. Then we have What If the Simpsons Were in North Korea? A hilarious take. This video imagines what would happen if the Simpsons family accidentally traveled to North Korea. The animation follows Homer and his family as they navigate the streets of Pyongyang, trying to blend in and avoid detection by the North Korean authorities. They encounter a number of bizarre situations and characters along the way, including a secret police officer who is suspicious of them and a group of North Korean teenagers who are obsessed with American pop culture. The animation is clever and funny and provides a satirical look at the differences between North Korea and the United States. And last but certainly not least, we'll check out Kim's Cartoon Kingdom, Springfield meets Pyongyang. In this animated adventure, the residents of Springfield travel to North Korea for a cultural exchange program. They soon find themselves caught up in the country's bizarre political system and must use their wits to survive. The Simpsons characters are well drawn, and the animation is top-notch. The voice acting is also excellent, and the writing is both funny and thought-provoking. Overall, Kim's Cartoon Kingdom is a hilarious and heartwarming tale that will leave you feeling good. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's begin. In episode 22 of season 28, titled Much Apu About Nothing, Apu and his wife Manjula decide to divorce after 20 years of marriage. While the rest of the town rallies together to support Apu, only Principal Skinner refuses to accept the separation, believing that divorce is wrong. In an attempt to repair their relationship, Skinner brings the couple to a counselor. However, the session proves unsuccessful, and Apu and Manjula proceed with their divorce. Principal Skinner, determined to prove that divorce is wrong, embarks on a mission to find a new wife for Apu. He sets up a profile for Apu on a website called Hot or Not, which matches people based on their physical attractiveness. Through this website, Apu meets a woman named Anupma, who he quickly becomes infatuated with. Skinner encouraged him to approach Anupma, who is attending a poetry reading at the Springfield power plant. Despite being rejected by Anupma, Apu remains undeterred and continues to pursue her. Meanwhile, Nelson Muntz develops feelings for Lisa Simpson, who reciprocates those emotions. However, she struggles with the prospect of dating a boy younger than her. When Nelson asks Lisa to attend the Springfield Film Festival with him, she initially hesitates but eventually accepts. On the day of the festival, Apu, still determined to win Anupma's affection, approaches her again, only to be rejected once more. Feeling dejected, he returns home. Unbeknownst to Apu, Anupma had secretly accessed his Hot or Not profile and discovered that he was already married. She confronts him, expressing her anger and disgust, and throws a drink on him. In a fit of rage, Apu pushes Anupma, causing her to fall and injure herself. The incident is witnessed by Chief Wiggum, who arrests Apu for assault. As the news of Apu's arrest spreads, the townspeople turn against him, accusing him of mistreating women. The episode concludes with Apu sitting alone in his house, surrounded by empty pizza boxes and bottles of beer, realizing that he has lost everything. What did you think about the episode? Did you enjoy the storyline? How about the character development and overall execution? Let us know your thoughts. Also, make sure to stay tuned for more updates on The Simpsons. Now let's move on to the next segment. The Simpsons are an iconic cartoon family that has captured the hearts of audiences worldwide. With their hilarious antics and relatable family dynamics, it's no wonder why they've been on the air for over 30 years. But what if this beloved animated family found themselves in a different kind of situation? Imagine them visiting a country known for its strict laws and totalitarian regime, North Korea. This unusual scenario is explored in a satirical animated video titled The Simpsons in North Korea, which reimagines what would happen if this iconic cartoon family decided to visit the democratic people as Republic of Korea. The video is a clever parody of The Simpsons and offers a humorous take on the differences between Western and North Korean cultures. The animation is top-notch and the voice acting is spot-on, making for a highly entertaining viewing experience. One of the things that makes this video so enjoyable is the way it satirizes both The Simpsons and North Korea. The Simpsons characters are well drawn and the animation is smooth and fluid. The voice acting is excellent, and the writing is both funny and thought-provoking. It's clear that the creators of the video are fans of The Simpsons and have done their homework when it comes to North Korean culture. They've managed to capture the essence of both Springfield and Pyongyang, the capital of North Korea, making for a truly immersive experience. Furthermore, the video is not just a mindless parody. It actually offers some interesting commentary on the state of affairs in North Korea. The Simpsons characters are put in situations that highlight the absurdity of the country's strict laws and regulations, such as when Homer tries to buy a beer and is told that alcohol is prohibited. The video also touches on the country's obsession with foreign media, with Lisa becoming an instant celebrity in Pyongyang because of her saxophone playing. Overall, The Simpsons in North Korea is a hilarious and thought-provoking video that is sure to entertain fans of both The Simpsons and North Korea. The animation is top-notch, the voice acting is excellent, and the writing is both funny and incisive. If you're looking for a fun and informative video to watch, look no further. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the wacky world of The Simpsons. We hope you had as much fun watching these videos as we did putting them together. Now it's time to hear from you. Which video was your favorite and what do you want to see us cover next? Don't be shy. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got lots of exciting content coming up that you won't want to miss. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and join our awesome community. We can't wait to see you next time.